Right then guys, so I thought I'd show you how to reset the service light on a Ford Transit Connect. So this is a 74 plate, but I'd say a lot of the old ones are the same. So I'm just going to put the ignition on. So what we're actually resetting is the oil change. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these buttons here, and if you look up in the display, I'm just going to scroll through, and then what you've got is you've got these little tabs here. So I'm going to click across, and then I'm going to scroll down until I get to maintenance, and then I'm going to click OK on oil life. And then as you can see, it says 44%. Now obviously I've done a service on this, so I want to reset it to 100. So I'm going to come out, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the ignition off, take the key out, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the ignition on, and then within like a second I'm going to stand on the brake and the throttle at the same time. So ready, key on, stand on them. Now they say count to 25 seconds. I'm going to count to about 25-ish. Right, that's roughly now, so I'm just going to release them pedals and key the ignition off, take the key out, put it back in, and then I'm going to go back through the menu, so left, down to maintenance, oil life, and it is now at 100%. So that's all changed now, guys. Thanks for watching.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.